Welcome to the unboxing video for the Meross MSG100 Smart Garage Door Opener. In this video, we'll unbox the MSG100, take a look at its components, and explain how each part is used to make your garage smarter. Next, this real user's video will help you quickly understand the unboxing and components of the MSG100, providing a clear overview before diving into the step-by-step process.
Google, open garage. I just opened up my garage door with my voice, and in this video I'm going to show you how you also could update your motor unit to be smart compatible with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, smart things from Samsung, and Apple HomeKit. Norman's just going to cut laps. There are a few gotchas and I'll go through those, as well as show you how to test compatibility with your home. I have wireless remote, so why did I buy this upgrade? Well, if you can kind of tell, my garage isn't used for cars. Typically when I'm heading out on a bike ride, I have to press the close button and then run out quickly under the garage door like Mission Impossible style. I don't carry this huge fob on my car keys. I'm gonna return home, I have to leave the bike at the front, open the front door, come into the garage, press the door button, and then go fetch my bike to bring it inside. It's a minor inconvenience, but next month I plan to ride my e-bike to work every day, so this little upgrade should make that a bit more pleasant. Let's install it.
Alright, as the box says, smart Wi-Fi garage door opener with all the assistance you could want. There is a model that doesn't have Apple HomeKit, but this one, the MSG100 by Meross, does. Let's get into it. Alrighty, user manual, Apple HomeKit setup code. Power adapter. This is the sensor wire, which has a magnet strip that allows you to know if the door is open or closed. Right, so here's the unit itself. Now I've stuck some tape over here to block the Apple HomeKit code. There is a sticker, and that's how you would pair that up.
Now that you've got a basic understanding of the product, let's quickly go over some key technical details you'll need to know. The MSG100 requires a power input of 5 volts at 1 amp. It connects to your Wi-Fi network using the 2.4 GHz band. Speaking of cables, the power cord is 4.9 feet long, while the sensor wire stretches up to 23 feet, plenty of length for flexible installation. To get started, make sure you have an existing 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and a device running iOS 13 or Android 8 or newer. One important note, the MSG100 comes into versions 1 with Apple HomeKit support and 1 without. Be sure to pick the version that fits your smart home setup. If you're looking for more setup videos, such as compatibility checks or sensor placement, you can find them displayed on the screen here. If you're browsing on the Meross website, simply scroll down to access the full library of instructional videos. Thanks for watching, and let's move on to the next step. Ensuring compatibility is a critical step before installing your Meross MSG100 Smart Garage Door Opener. In this video, we'll walk you through the key details about compatibility, introduce tools and resources for verification, and show you how to request accessories if needed. Next, this real user's video will walk you through the compatibility check process, helping you quickly confirm if your garage door opener works with the MSG100.
This is a simple add-on module that upgrades what you already have, and I love that. I love tech upgrades. If you want to know if this is compatible with your garage unit, look for the radio or OSC port and bridge that to ground. If your garage door opens up, then that means that this style of smart garage opener is compatible with your home. I was meant to do this test before I purchased the unit, but I didn't, so there's that. Let's just make our own little bridging cable. It works!
Now that you've completed the compatibility check, let's dive into some technical details about compatibility to help you better understand how your garage door opener works with the MSG100. Garage door openers fall into 2 main categories based on compatibility. 1. Dry contact control door openers. These include most Genie, Overhead, Herman Nice, and older Chamberlain LiftMaster models. MSG100 is fully compatible with these openers. The control cables connect easily to commonly labeled terminals like OSC Open, a Stop Close, or GND Ground. 2. Rolling Code Systems Security Plus 2.0 and Security Plus 1.0. All yellow Learn button openers require an additional accessory to work with MSG100. All orange or red Learn button openers compatible directly via dry contact. Purple Learn button openers. These are Security Plus 1.0 but vary, some work via dry contact, while others need an accessory. Understanding your garage door opener type will save you time and ensure a smoother setup. The easiest way to check is by visiting our compatibility checker at this URL. Simply enter your garage door brand and model, and it will confirm whether your MSG100 is compatible or if an accessory is needed. If you need an accessory, submit your order number and shipping address on the same page to receive it for free. If you're unsure or want to double check, you can use the test wire provided in the box. Here's how to do it. 1. Locate the OSC and G&D terminals on your garage door opener. 2. Insert the two ends of the test wire into these terminals. For instance, with some LiftMaster models, you might see lights blinking when you connect the test wire, but the door doesn't open or close. This indicates a need for the accessory. If your system requires an accessory, don't worry, Meross provides these accessories for free. After receiving it, check out our accessory setup video for step-by-step guidance on installation. In this video, we explained the types of garage door openers, showed you how to check compatibility using our website and test wire, and guided you on how to get additional accessory if needed. If you have further questions, feel free to contact our support team. Let's move on to the next step in setting up your MSG100. In this video, we'll guide you step 2 on how to pair your Meross MSG100 Smart Garage Door Opener with your home Wi-Fi network using the Meross app. The process is quick and simple. Before mounting all components onto your garage door opener, we recommend completing the network setup first. This ensures the device and sensors are functioning correctly before mounting. Download the Meross app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log into your account or create one if you're new to Meross. The process is simple and only requires an email address. Next, this real user's video will guide you through the network pairing process in the Meross app, giving you a clear and simple overview to ensure a smooth setup before moving on to the installation.
Alrighty, let's get into this thing. Hey! Switch off the garage door opener. I've got one little double splitters. Alright, so brown is our power, blue is earth. Woo! Alright, cables are in, they're nice and snug. Alright, it's turned on, we've got a green light. You might be able to see that now. It's blinking amber and green on the Wi-Fi icon. I'm pretty excited for this. I've got to get their app. I made an account, let's install. We have a MSG100 connection successful. Rename your device, garage door. Start hardware deployment. Preparations. I'm standing on a stool, that's not a ladder. Let's test it. In the bag we have the magnet. Oh, there's a little animation on the screen saying that it's closed. And then you lift it away and the roller door rolls up. Yeah, that works. Less than 1 inch either way. Mounting examples. Oh baby, they got pictures.
Great job completing the network pairing. Before we continue, let's quickly remind you about the app permissions. When you open the app for the first time, it'll ask for a few permissions like local network access, Bluetooth, wireless data, and notifications. These are needed to connect your device and set everything up smoothly. In this video, we've walked you through the entire network setup process for your Meross MSG100 Smart Garage Door Opener, including downloading the Meross app, pairing the device with your Wi-Fi, and testing the door sensor. By completing these steps, you've ensured your device is fully functional and ready to go. Now that the network setup is complete, it's time to move on to the actual installation process. In the next video, we'll guide you step by step on how to mount your MSG100 to your garage door opener and complete the final setup. Let's get started. Welcome back. In this step, we'll show you how to mount the device and place the sensors for your Meross MSG100 Smart Garage Door Opener. Before we begin, Make sure you've completed step 2 and successfully added your device to the Meross app. Proper installation of the sensor is key to ensuring accurate monitoring of your garage door status. Next, let's have this real user quickly show us how to install and place the door sensor.
Hey! Switch off the garage door opener. I've got one little double splitters. Alright, so brown is our power, blue is earth. Woo! Alright, cables are in, they're nice and snug. Let's find a spot to mount it. Right. I'm feeling that around here will be the easiest way. Oh! Come over, squiz. Garage door. Everything's metal. Sick! That's easy. I can like put it right around the corner close to. Alrighty. Let's unbundle this sensor wire. Quite lengthy. So they include some teeny screws that make it very easy for mounting it to plaster. Super lightweight. Cool, that's secure. So in the box you got some little adhesives. Alright, so there's the final position. I'm pretty happy with that because if you have a look here, it will clear when it goes upwards and it's close enough to trigger to say currently that it's closed. Relatively easy DIY install. You just got to make sure that you test each part, that things are in the right place. So I'm just zip tying everything out of the way because I don't want anything going into the gears there. Okay, so it's ready to go. Hey! Let's just tap close. That's instant. Hell yeah.
Now that you've seen how to connect the control cable and install the sensor, we'd like to emphasize a few key points. There are 2 common positions to install the sensor: the center top of the garage door frame, or the side of the door frame. You can choose the position that works best for your setup. For installation, you have 2 methods: using adhesive tapes or screws, both included in your package. If you're placing the sensor at the center top, ensure the wired sensor is mounted securely on the frame and the wireless magnet on the garage door. For the side installation, mount the sensor on the door frame and align the magnet on the door itself. In both cases, make sure the sensor and magnet align properly when the door is closed, keeping the gap less than 1 inch. For adhesive installation, clean the surface for better adhesion. Then stick the sensor and magnet in place. For a more permanent setup, use screws to secure the components. Once installed, connect the sensor to the MSG100 device using the provided cable. Your setup is now complete. But there's more you can do. You can explore voice control options, set up auto-close features, enable alarm notifications, or learn how to install compatibility accessories if needed. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your smarter garage experience with Meross.